Data analytics and visualization are essential components in understanding and making use of data effectively. Here's a detailed explanation in simple terms. Data analytics. Data analytics is the process of examining data sets to draw conclusions about the information they contain. It involves several steps. 1. Data collection, gathering data from various sources like databases, surveys, or sensors. 2. Data cleaning, removing errors and inconsistencies from the data to ensure it's accurate and usable. 3. Data exploration, understanding the main characteristics of the data through summary statistics and visualizations. 4. Data modeling, using mathematical models to find patterns and relationships in the data. 5. Data interpretation, drawing conclusions and making decisions based on the analysis. Key concepts in data analytics. Descriptive analytics describes what has happened using historical data, for example, sales reports. Diagnostic analytics explains why something happened, for instance, analyzing reasons for a drop in sales. Predictive analytics predicts future trends based on historical data, like forecasting next quarter's sales. Prescriptive analytics suggests actions to achieve desired outcomes, for example, recommending marketing strategies. Data visualization. Data visualization is the graphical representation of information in data. By using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps, data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in data. Key concepts in data visualization. Charts and graphs. Common types include bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and scatter plots. Each type helps visualize data in different ways. Dashboards, a collection of visualizations that provide an overview of key metrics and data points used for monitoring business performance. Heat maps show data density or frequency. For instance, a website heat map shows where users click the most. Geographical maps visualize data across different locations, such as showing sales by region. Importance of data analytics and visualization. 1. Better decision making helps in making informed decisions based on data rather than intuition. 2. Identifying trends uncovers patterns and trends that might not be obvious from raw data. 3. Improving efficiency identifies areas where processes can be optimized. 4. Communicating insights makes it easier to share and explain findings to others, especially non-technical stakeholders. Tools and technologies. Data analytics tools, Excel, SQL, Python, R, visualization tools, Tableau, Power BI, Google Data Studio, Matplotlib, Python. Example. Imagine a retail company wants to understand their sales performance. They collect sales data from different stores, clean it to remove errors, explore it to see the overall trends, and model it to predict future sales. They then use visualization tools to create a dashboard that shows sales by region, product category, and over time. This helps the management team make strategic decisions about where to focus their marketing efforts and how to optimize inventory. In summary, data analytics and visualization work together to transform raw data into meaningful insights that drive better business.